option. Okay, one more question let me write, then we will repeat the question. Okay, let me write one more question. Let me write one more question. Let me write one more question. 1125 is equal to 5 raised to a into 3 raised to b. Then the value of a and b are, then values of a and b, values of a and b are option A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1. Option B, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3. Option C, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. Option D, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Do it. Exponential form. Exponential form means base raised to power. Chalo, 5 minutes I am giving. I am reading the question. First question, exponential form of 288 is option A 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2, B 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2, C 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 4, D 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 3. Second question, exponential form of 972 is 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 5, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 6, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 5. Then third question, 1024 as a power of 2 is 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 9, 2 raised to 10. 729 as a power of 3 is 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 6, 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 8. Then 1125 is equal to 5 raised to a into 3 raised to b. Then the values of a and b are option A is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, B, option B, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, option C, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, option D, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Not giving you two. Yes? No. Wait, take 2 minutes. You verify your answer. So 2 minutes I am giving you. After 2 minutes, you have to give me the answer. After 2 minutes, you have to give the answer. Verify your answer. I will not accept it. Who are sending answer in advance, their answer I will not read. Nobody will write the answer. After 2 minutes I will, after 1 minute I will say. Before that you do not send me the answer. Chalo, start sending me the answer first. Exponential form of 288 is Dhanvi Vishwarao B, Hitansh Sanghvi C, Hitanshi C, Pratyush B, Krish Chauhan B, Pratyush B, Aisha Varalia B, Tanvi Datta B, Krishank Pankaj B. Chalo, send me. Divya Patel B, Shreya Parmar B. Yes, Shreya, very good. B. Shreya Parmar B. Chalo. Hasti Poria B. Durgesh Rana B. Chalo. Yes, where are other students who are giving the answer? Veer Gupta. Then Shreya Veera, Shaurya Yadav B. हाँ, send me the answer so that I can read your name. Chris Jain, हाँ, Trisha Jain B, Hitanshi Sanghvi, हाँ, Hitanshi Sanghvi C. My dear, you check your answer. You are getting C. Hitanshi Sanghvi, Daksh Patel B, Durgesh Rana B. Yes, where are other students? Vedant Jain B. Yes, Vedant Jain B. Yes, Veer Gupta, other student, where are they? Jay Madhav Das B. Okay, Krishang B. Kaustubh B. New Sethia B. Veer Gupta B. चलो Veer Gupta B. New Sethia B. हाँ, Samruddhi B. Durgesh Rana B. Okay. So everybody is हाँ, Krisha Jain B. Shruti Pradhan B. Okay. So majority are giving the answer B, that is 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. Let us verify whether this is correct or not. Now do not send me the answer. Now 288. Now the unit digit is 8. So I can divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. Again by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. Again by 2. 2 threes are 36. Again by 2. 18. Again by 2. 9. Then 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So now 2 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5. Okay. 2 raised to 5. Then 3 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 2. So this is the correct option. 2 raised to 5, 3 raised to 2. Okay. Now, B's option is correct. Now send me the answer of second one. Chalo. 972 exponential form. Shreya Bira B. Okay. Second. Pratyush B. Pratyush Singhal B. Durgesh Rana B. Parvora B. New Sethia B. Yes. Shreya Vira, you send answer. New Sethia B. New Sethia Nishant B. New Sethia Jay Madhava Solanki B. Daksh Patel B. Chalo, where are others? Veer Gupta B. Parvora B. Hitanshi Sanghvi B. Yes. अरे wait, lock किया जाए. Let us few more answer come. Krishang B. Hitanshi B. Tanvi Datta B. Parvora B. Siddhant Singh B. Parvora B. Siddhant Singh B. Yes. Krishang B. Aisha Varalia B. Krishang B. Dhanvi Vishwarao B. Samruddhi Pandirkar B. Shravani Vani B. Yes, where is Aditi Gada? Who got 25 out of 25? Aditi Gada, your answer is not coming. Send me the answer. Shaurya Yadav B. Durgesh Rana B. Hasti Korea B. Aditi Gada. Okay. Aditi Gada B. Yuvraj Patel B. Krisha Jain B. Okay. Krisha Jain B. Daksh Patel B. Okay. Durgesh Rana B. So everybody is giving the answer B. There is no student who is giving any. हाँ ठीक है, B को लॉक किया जाए, but before that let us verify. Okay. You have to verify whether B option we have locked which is correct or not. 972. Started the recording. Now see this. Unit place is 2. You can divide the number by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are. Now unit place is not 3. Unit place is not 2. So we can divide by 3. Okay. 3 8s are 18. 24, 81, 3, 27, then 3, 9s, then 3, 3s, 3, 1s. Now you can verify how many times. 2 is multiplied 2 times, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is multiplied 5 times, 3 raised to 5. So option B is correct. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 5. B is the correct option. Okay. Now do not send me the answer of 3. Do not send me the answer of 3. Okay. Let me give you few more questions. Wait. Do not, because others are solving. Some of you are solving third. Chalo. If you want, chalo. Send me the answer of third. Chalo. 1024. Chalo. हाँ, send me. Pratyush Singhal D. Pratyush Singhal D. Pratyush Singhal D. Shaurya Yadav D. Shreya Veera D. Shaurya Yadav D. Krisha Jain D. Veer Gupta D. Very good. चलो और कौन है? दक्ष पटेल डी, पर बोरा डी, न्यू सेठिया डी. यस, अदर स्टूडेंट कृषांक, कृषांक. देन अदिति गाड़ा, कृषा जैन डी, कौस्तुभ परब डी. यस, धनवी विश्वराव. वेर इज योर आंसर? यस, वेर अदर स्टूडेंट? न्यू सेठिया निशांत डी, हितांशी संघवी डी, हितांशी संघवी, अदिति गाड़ा डी, न्यू सेठिया डी, आदर्श डी. Yes, Adarsh Chauhan D. Then New Sethia D. Yes, Keresia D. Okay. So majority are giving the answer D, D, D. Aisha Varalia D. Dhanvi Vishwarav D. Tanvi Datta D. एक मिनट. श्रवणी बाने D. जय माधवदास सोलंकी D. चलो yes, परबोरा. Where is your answer? परबोरा. Then yes Kumawat, Love Kumawat. Where are they? Send me the answer. Hasri Poria D, Hitanshi Sangvi, Parbora D, Hitanshi Sangvi D. Yes, Love Kumawat. Yes, Kumawat. Yes, Kumawat D. Okay. Okay. So all of you are giving the answer D. So let us log the option D and let us verify. Okay. Samruddhi Pawar D. Okay. 1024. Now see the unit place. Unit place is 4. I can divide the number with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again unit place is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are. Again unit place is 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are. Again unit place is 8. You can divide. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again unit place is 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again unit place is 2. 2 16. Again unit place is 6. 2 8s are. Again unit place is 8. 2 4s are. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. How many times 2 is multiplied? You can verify. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 2 is multiplied 10 times. So that will be 2 to the power 10. Number of times goes in the power. So the correct option is 2 raised to 10. Okay. The correct option is 2 raised to 10. 1024 as a power of 2 is 2 raised to 2. Very good. Today all of you are participating very nicely. And all are giving accurate answer. That means you have revised the chapter. Chalo. Send me the answer of fourth. Fourth. Parbora C, Aditi Gada B, Parbora C. Parbora, check your answer. Hitanshi Sangvi C, New Sethia B, Nishant Shinde Nishant C. Those who are giving the answer C, please check your calculation. New Sethia B, Shreya Parmar B, New Sethia B. चलो, Aditi Gada, Veer Gupta, Shreya Veera, Daksh Patel B, Hitanshi Sangvi, Veer Gupta B, Kaustubh Parab B, Nishant Shinde B. Yes, Dhanvi Vishwara, where is your answer? Parbora B, Tanvi Datta. Send the answer. Pratyush Singhal B, Krisha Jain B. Okay. Krisha Jain B. Very good. Krisha Jain's mummy is a PTA member for 7th F class. So Krisha Jain is participating nicely. Very good. Chalo. Savni Bani B. Shaurya Yadav B. Aisha Varalia B. Okay. Dhanvi Vishwarav B. Chalo. Dhanvi Vishwarav B has said B answer. So let us log the answer B. We close with Dhanvi Vishwarav's answer. Yes. Everybody has. Yes. Shreya Veera B. Vedant Jain B. Yes. So let us see. Majority are giving the answer B. So let us take 729 as power of 3. So we divide by 3. Power of 3 means divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3, 27. Again 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Let us verify how many times 3 is multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is multiplied 6 times. So that will be 3 raised to 6. So the correct option is B, which all of you give the answer. 3 raised to 6. Very good. So yes, so today nobody can stop E division and F division student from giving the correct answer. Very good. So nobody, no problem can stop them by giving the. Okay, very good, very good. Chalo. Give me the answer of fifth. Shreya Bira C. Divya Patel C. Aisha Varalia C. Fifth answer. Tanvi Datta C. Tanvi Datta C. Daksh Patel C. Pratyush Singhal C. Chalo. Many more students we want answer. Yes. Krisha Jain C. Krisha Jain C. Chalo. Yes. Dhanvi Vishwarao. Ir Gupta. Durgesh Rana. Where Durgesh Rana has gone? Is not sending me the answer. Kaustubh Parab C. Yes. New Setia C. New Setia C. Hitanshi Sanghvi C. And see, again I am reminding you that New Setia is the monitor of our maths class of E division and F division. So New Setia, what is your answer? C. Yes, very good. Shaurya Yadav C, Jay Madhav Das C, Nishan Sindhe C, yes, Veer Gupta C, Shreya Parmar C, Shravani Bane C, Shruti Pradhan C, Krishank Pankaj. Krishank Pankaj, your answer will not be accepted because you have not written the answer in the correct format. Okay, so do not waste your time in typing CCC. Instead of that, use your time in doing the correct calculation. Kaustubh Parab C. Kaustubh Parab C. Chalo. So majority are telling the answer C. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. Let us verify the answer. 1125. So let us factorize 1125. Let us factorize this with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Again with 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now we divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Let us see. 3 is multiplied how many times? 3, 1, 2. 3 multiplied 2 times. 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2. Okay, 3 raised to 2. And then 5 multiplied how many times? 3 times. 5 raised to 3. So this is 1125, which is equal to 5 raised to A into 3 raised to B. So this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. What is power of 5? A. What is power of 5? 3. That means A is equal to 3. What is power of 3? B. What is power of 3? 2. That means B is equal to 2. So A is 3, B is 2. Which option? Option number C. Okay. So the correct option is C. The correct option is C. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. Chalo. Let us solve few more problems. 5 I have given. Chalo, take few more problems. Problem number 6. Very quickly. Problem number 6. Evaluate the value of, the value of 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3 is option A. Option A is 106, option B 107, option D, option C 36, option D 108. Chalo, let me give one more question. 7 question. No. I will give time to send me the answer. So nothing to worry. 2 raised to 5, use the sign. Okay. Use the sign. Use greater than, less than or equal to sign. It is given 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to, chalo, let us take 2 raised to 4. And this side I am taking minus 2 raised to 4. Use the proper sign. Option A greater, option B less than, option C equal to, and option D none of these. None of these. Okay. Chalo, 2 minutes are there. Send me the answer of 6th. Answer of 6th. Chalo, send me the answer of 6th. Shreya Veera D, Divya Patel D, Dhanvi Visra D, Daksh Patel D, Hilsa Varalia D, Nishant Sindhe D, Durgesh Rana D, Hitanshi Sanghvi D. Yes. Where are other students? New Sethia D, Kaustubh Parab D, Durgesh Rana D, Shavni Bane D, New Sethia D, Shreya Parmar D, Veer Gupta D. Yes, Aditi Gada, what is your answer? Aditi Gada D, Shreya Parmar D, Durgesh Rana D. Okay. So majority are giving the answer D. Let us verify. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. 2 raised to 2 means 2 into 2. 3 raised to 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 27 into 4 is 108. So option D is the correct answer. Chalo. Send me the answer of 7. Option Divya Patel A, Shreya Veera C, Dhanvi Visra C, Aisha Baralia C, Hitanshi Sanghvi A, Durgesh Rana C, Shaurya Yadav C, Durgesh Rana C, Kaustubh Parab C, Durgesh Rana C, Kaustubh Parab, Jai Madhadas Solanki C, yes, Krisha Jain C, Durgesh Rana C, Kaustubh Parab C, Mayank Jathara C, very good. Aditi Gada C, New Sethia C, Samruddhi, okay, C. So C means equal to. Majority are giving the answer equal to. Let us verify. 2 raised, no, the correct answer is C, equal to. The correct answer is C, equal to. Why? Because see this. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This answer is plus 16. What about minus 2 raised to 4? Minus 2 raised to 4 means minus 2 you have to multiply 4 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Let us first multiply the sign. Yes, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Minus sign has occurred even number of times, 4 times. So whenever minus sign is even number of times, the answer is plus. So answer will be plus. Then multiply the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, plus 16, that is same as 16. So they are equal. Okay. They are equal. So very good. All of you participated nicely. It is 9:42. We stop here. See you now. Next period we will do the revision. Okay. Yes. See you. Bye everybody. Bye. Yes. Bye everybody. Yes. Bye everybody.